YouTube? It's Quest on here on a beautiful Ontario lake. It's about 5:30 in the morning, and I've got my own boat. Dude, I'm excited. Let's go catch some fish. It's the first time I've ever just had my own boat, and yeah, I can't wait to get started. So let's go catch some bass, okay? Let's do it. Hey guys, so we're out here at the spot. We'll drop off going into a weed bed, and my dumb electric motor doesn't have electricity, so we're gonna have to use these amazing oars right here to kind of feather us around, so just bear with me. We're gonna be fishing weedless tubes right here. Man, I wish I had my electric motor. I should run back and get another battery. Okay guys, so I ran back. This isn't out very far, so I ran back to the dock and got a new battery, so now we can actually fish. Yeah. So let's see what we can catch. It's gonna be tough, but so we moved over to the shoreline. Just gonna do some shoreline fishing right now. There's nothing at the other place. Got one here. Oh, look at that clear water bass. That's a good two. That's a money lure right there. Man, it's tight. About a 1.5. Good fish. That's what I'm talking about right there. go. So my camera's off. I don't know why, but I've caught 2 more fish. I kept them both actually because we're gonna be eating fish tonight. And I caught one on a chatterbait in this cove, and another on a wacky at that last dock back over there. So I'm gonna flip some more docks with these wackies, and then I'm gonna head in. Stock looks promising. Oh, a little bluegill grabbed or something. Watch this big inflatable. That thing is huge. Perfect. Feather that slow. I got it. There we go. Oh, flip. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Right there. Oh, I gotta turn up more. My bad. We'll keep him. Oh, crap. Just that bucket. Man, I want to keep doing this. Oh, I lost my one. Oh, this one's kind of beat up.